Welcome to my channel for comprehensive tutorials on fundamental principles to complex problems. I'll cover it all. Feel free to share, subscribe for more contents. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to this chapter 2, and here we will be doing solving quadratic equations, and this time it's going to be non-linear simultaneous equations. This is exercise 34, which is the last exercise of this chapter. After this, there are going to be two extra videos, one for miscellaneous questions taken from this whole exercise to just have a better look at how many questions we have done and what type of topics we are done with. And after that, it's going to be examination style questions that appeared in different years of IGCSE examinations. Now, in this exercise, it's going to be dealing with two equations. Simultaneously, we'll be solving it, and why it's called as non-linear simultaneous equations, because earlier we have dealt with the two equations that were all linear equations. Okay, but in here one is quadratic and one is a linear. That means once you put it on desponse.com, these are going to give you something like this, and straight line will be crossing this. So these 2 points are going to be your answer. Okay, x and y. So there are going to be 2 points. One is this going point and one is this going to be the point. That means one xy will be here and another xy is going to be somewhere here. So these 2 points will be finding out in some using these equations and solving simultaneously. So what we do is, in here what is to be done is, first of all, we look at the linear equation, which is y equals 20 minus 2x. Now if we know this, the value of y is 20 minus 2x, we substitute in the quadratic equation. That means y equals x squared minus 16x plus 68, and here we'll just place the value of y, which is 20 minus 2x over here. We are placing it here, and we'll be solving the other equation, 20 minus 2x, actually 20 minus 2x. 20 minus 2x equals x squared minus 16x plus 68. In here we'll be making this quadratic equation. It's going to be x squared minus 16x as it is, and from the other side we'll bring this minus 2x to make it plus 2x, and plus 68 and minus 20. So this is going to give us x squared minus 14x and plus 48 equals 0. Now once we factorize this, we are going to get x squared, because 6 times 8 is a 48, and minus 6x and minus 8x is going to give us minus 14x, and plus 48, as we have done with the quadratic equations. X is common in first and second. X minus 6 is going to be in one bracket. Copy down x minus 6 as it is, and minus 8 will be here, and 8 x minus 8 and x minus 6 are the two factors. But we know very well that x minus 8 equals 0 and x minus 6 equals 0. That means the value of x is 8 and x is 6, positive 6. Now we have found the value of x's, or you can say there are two ordered pairs. One is x and the other is y, and for the other point it is also x and y. So we have found out 8 and we have found 6. We need to find the value of y. Now we know the value of y is 20 minus 2x. Y equals 20 minus 2x. I will write this two different times. Y equals 20 minus 2x. Now in here first I'll put the value of 8. Y, when x equals 8, what happens to y? And this side I will put 6. Y equals 20 minus 2, in bracket I will write 6. So here I'm taking the value of x as 8 and the other one is I'm taking as 6. So y equals 20 minus 16, and here I will take y equals 20 minus 12. So 20 minus 16 is going to give us a 4. I will write 4 when x is 8. And y equals 20 minus 12 is going to be 8. So these are the 2 points where these two lines are going to be crossing each other. For example, if quadratic from equation is making this one, so in here this is going to be 8 4 and this is going to be 6 8, something like this. Okay, vice versa. Moving on to question number 2. In question number 2, what will happen is the value of y is a 2. Y is 2x minus 6x minus 8. So I will write 6x minus 8 like this equals x square plus 2x minus 5 as it is. And I will bring the other guys over here, plus 2x and minus 6x minus 5 and minus plus 8. So this is going to give us x square plus it is going to be minus 4x, x square minus 4x and plus 3 equals 0. Factorizing this, it's going to give us x square minus 3x minus x plus 3 equals 0. And x is common in both of them, x minus 3 and x minus 3 I will write as it is, and minus 1 is going to be here. So x minus 1 equals 0 and x minus 3 also equal to 0, and in here x equals 1 and x equals 3. So the value of x and y I will write like this: x is 1 and x is 3. Now I know very well in the given question it is y equals 6x minus 8. Y equals 6x minus 8. I will write this 2 times. Y equals 6x minus 8. So the first value I get is 1. So I'll multiply by 1 minus 8. And in here 6, 3 minus 8. So this gives us 6 minus 8. And this gives us 18 minus 8. So this is going to give us a negative 2. I will write here, and y equals 10 I will write here. So this is the answer for question number 2. Moving on to question number 3. When it comes to question number 3, what I'm going to do here is to just make a room for me to work easily. Okay. Now what happens is that the value of y is already given here. We substitute 2 minus 2x into quadratic equation, which is going to be 2 minus 2x equals x square minus 4x plus 3. I'll bring these two onto this side and change the sign. So this is going to be equals to x square minus 4x is already there. I'll bring this minus 2x from the other side and make it plus 2x, and plus 3 is already here, and I'll bring this 2 from the other side and make it minus 2. So this is going to be x square minus 2x and plus 1 equals 0. This is going to be the equation for this question. And in here, I know very well that x squared minus x plus 1 is going to be the equation for this. And x is common in both of them, x minus 1 and x minus 1 once again, and minus 1 would be here. So x minus 1 whole square it is. So the value of x is equals to 1. Since both are 1, so I'll take only one value. So in here, x value is going to be 1. Y we find out. Y equals 1 square minus 4, 1 plus 3. That means y 1 minus 4 plus 3. That means y is going to be a 0. So it's going to be a 0 here. Moving on to the next question, I will bring this guy a little here to make room for me to work. Now in this question it says y equals minus 2x plus 9 is the value of y. Now I'll plug this value into the quadratic equation. It's going to be negative 2x plus 9 equals x square minus 6x plus 12. So I'll bring these two over there to make it available in quadratic equation. So it's going to be x square minus 6 from here itself. Minus 2x will come from the other side and becomes plus 12. 2x plus 12 is already here, and plus 9 will come from the other side and make it minus 9. So for question number 4, it's going to be x square minus 4x and plus 3 equals 0. So factorizing this, it's going to give us 4 and 1, or minus 3 and 1, minus 3x and minus x plus 3 equals 0. So x is common in both of them. Minus 1, so x minus 1 and x minus 3 are the two values of 0. So that means x equals 1 and x equals 3. So I'll make brackets like this and make x equals 1 and x equals 3. Now we find out the value of y. Y equals 2x minus 9 minus 2x and plus 9. I will write this two times. Y equals minus 2x plus 9. First I will put a 1. Y equals minus 2, 1 plus 9, and y equals minus 2, 3 plus 9. First I'm using the value of 1. Second I'm using the value of 3. So y equals minus 2 plus 9 and y equals minus 6 plus 9. So this gives us a 7. 7 will come over here, and y equals plus 3. This 3 will come here. So these are the 2 points where these two lines are going to be meeting. Moving on to question number 5. The value of y is, let's find out. Y will be equals to minus 10x minus 31. This is the value of y. Now in here, I will plug this value into the quadratic equation. Minus 10x minus 31 plus 6 equals x squared. That means minus 10x minus 28. Let's see, it's going to be minus 31. It is a 6, not 3. So it's going to be 25 equals x squared. I will bring these two onto the other side and make it a positive. So it's going to be x squared plus 10x plus 25 equals 0. That means x squared plus 5x and plus 5x plus 25 equals 0. That means x plus 5 and x plus 5 in one bracket and plus 5 will be like this. So x plus 5, x equals negative 5. In one bracket I will write x plus 5, another bracket also x plus 5. So both the value of x is going to be negative 5. X plus 5 equals 0. That means the value of x is going to be negative 5. Now I'll put this into the equation. That means y equals negative 10x minus 31, and y will be equals to negative 10x. The value of x is minus 5 minus 31. So this is going to give us minus plus 50 minus 31. It's going to give us y equals 19. So there's only one point where it's going to meet. X equals minus 5 and y equals 19. Moving on to question number 6. When it comes to question number 6, it says y equals minus 8 x plus 38. So this is the value of y. Now we plug this value into the quadratic equation. So instead of y, I will write minus 8x plus 12x equals x square plus 40. And I'll bring these two guys onto this side, and this will change the sign of these two. So it's going to be x square plus 8x minus 12x. I missed one value, which is minus 8x plus 38 plus 12x equals x square plus 40. So I bring all these onto the right hand side. So it's going to be x square, and before that I just want to make this one 4x plus 38 equals x square plus 40. I will bring these two on to the other side and make it minus 4x plus 40 and minus 38. So this will make x square minus 4x equals 38 minus 40 is going to give us a 2, a plus 2 equals 0. Now this is the quadratic equation in which a equals 1, b equals 4, b equals negative 4, and c equals 2. And I will plug this value into the quadratic formula. It's going to be plus 4 now because of minus minus, plus 4 square minus 4a and c divided by 2a, which is 1. So I will not write that. This is going to give us 4 plus under root 16 minus 8 over 2. That means 4 plus minus under root 8 over 2. And the value of under root 2 is going to be 4 plus 2.83 over 2. Second value is going to be 4 minus 2.83 over 2. Now when these two are added together, 6.83 over 2 and negative 1.17 over 2. These are two values of x. This one is going to give us 3.4, and this one is going to give us 0.59 negative. So these are the two values. It's positive actually. So two values of x are 3.4 and 0.59. These are the values of x. Now we find out the value of y. Y value is y equals negative 8x plus 38. I will write this two different times. Y equals minus 8x plus 38. First I will write the value of 3.4 plus 38. Second value is going to be minus 8, 0.59 plus 38. So these two are going to give us minus 27, minus 27.2 plus 38, and this is going to give us a minus 4.72 plus 38. So this one is going to give us 10.8, and this one is going to give us y equals 33.28. So these two values are going to be here in place of y, 33.28. This is the answer for question number 6. Moving on to question number 7. I'll place this guy over here. Now in here, question number 7, it says y equals 4x plus 9, because minus 9 will go to the other side and becomes a positive 9. I will substitute the value of y in here. So it says 4x plus 9 minus 7 equals x square plus 2x, and 4x plus 2 equals x square plus 2x. I'll bring this whole thing onto the other side and change the sign. So this is going to be x square plus 2x minus 4x and minus 2. That means x square minus 2x minus 2 is going to be the equation for question number 7. So in here, we know very well that the value of A is going to be 1, the value of B is a negative 2, and C value is also negative 2. Minus B is a negative 2, plus minus under root B square means minus 2 square minus 4A, and C is 2 minus 2. So divided by 2A, which is 1, so I will write just 2. So this becomes 2 plus minus 4 plus 8. It's going to give us a 12. Now in here, what we can do is plus minus under root 12 over 2. That means the value of under root is 2 plus 3.46. One's plus and one's minus. 2 minus 3.46 over 2. So first one is going to give us 5.46 divided by 2, and second value is going to be negative 1.46 over 2. So first one is going to give us 2.73, and second one is going to give us negative 0.73. These are the two values of x. Y equals 4x plus 9. Y equals 4x plus 9. I will write two different times. First, I will put y equals 2.73 and plus 9, and second value is going to be y equals 4 negative 0.73 plus 9. So these are going to give us y values. In bracket, if I write 2.73 over here and negative 0.73 like this, and now we are going to find out y equals 2.73 is going to be equals to 10.92 plus 9. So y is equals to 19.2. I will write 19.2 here and close the bracket. And now this time it's going to be negative 2.92 plus 9. So y equals 6.08. So 6.08 is going to be coming here. This is the value of x and y, and this is your final answer for question number 7. Moving on to question number 8. When it comes to question number 8, I will take this minus 6x onto the other side and make it a positive 6, and this is going to be y equals 43 minus 4, y equals 43 plus 6x. This is going to be the value of y. Now I'll bring everything of y equals over here. So I will write 43 plus 6x minus x square minus 14x equals 54. Now in here I can see That minus 14x and plus 6 is going to give us minus 8x and minus x square, and 43 will go to the other side and make it 11. That means I will take everything onto the right hand side and make it x square plus 8x plus 11 equals 0. Now I can see the value of a is a 1, value of b is an 8, and the value of c is 11. I will use quadratic formula, minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4a and c over 2 times a, which is 1, so I will write just 2 only, minus 8 plus minus, this is going to give us a 64 minus 44 over 2, so this is going to give us minus 8 plus minus under root 20 over 2, and the value of under root 20 is going to be 4.47 minus plus 4.47 divided by 2, and minus 8 minus 4.47 divided by 2. So these two are going to give us negative 3.53 over 2, and this one is going to give us negative 12.47 over 2. So first one is going to give us negative 1.72, and this one is going to give us negative 6.24. Now these are the two values of x. I can write this negative 1.72 as x, and this one is going to be negative 6.24. Now we find out the value of y. How much is the value of y? Y equals 43 plus 6x. So 43 plus 6x, I will write two different times. First I will write 43 plus 6 times negative 1.72, and in here I will write 43 plus 6 times negative 6.24. So first one is going to give us 43 minus 10.32, and this is going to be 32.68, and this one is going to give us y equals 43 minus 37.41. So y value is going to be 5.59, and I will write 32.68 as y, and second value is going to be 5.59. This is the answer for question number 8. Moving on to question number 9. In question number 9, same kind of strategy we are going to use. First equation, this one is saying that y is equals to minus 2x minus 7 plus 4. That means y equals negative 2x negative 3. So this is going to be the value of value of y, and this is going to give us y equals this value we are going to plug in into this equation. So instead of y, I will write minus 2x minus 3 minus 8 equals x square plus 6x plus 2. I will take all these things onto the other side, but before that I will write minus 2x minus 11 minus 2x minus 11 equals x square plus 6x plus 2. So ultimately it's going to be plus 6x plus 2x and plus 2 plus 11. So it's going to be x square plus 8 x and plus 13. So in here I know the value of a is a 1. Since this is a quadratic equation, so a is equals to 1, b equals 8, and c equals a 13. I will put this in the quadratic formula: minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4a and c over 2 times a, which is a 1, so I will just write 2 minus 8 plus minus under root. This gives us 64 minus 52 over 2 minus 8 plus minus under root 64 minus 52 is going to give us a 12 over 2. The value of under root 2 in the calculator, you will find 3.46. So I will use 3.46 instead, two different times, plus 3.42 over 2, and second value I am going to get is minus 3.42 over 2. So first one is going to give us negative 4.53 divided by 2, and second one is going to give us negative 11.46 over 2. So first one is going to give us negative 2.27 and negative 5.73. So these are the two values of x: negative 2.27, and second value is negative 5.73. Now we know very well that y equals how much? Y equals minus 2x minus 3. Minus 2x minus 3 is the value of y. I will write two different times. Y equals minus 2x minus 3. First, I will use minus 2.27 that we have found, minus 3, and second value is minus 2 minus 5.73 minus 3. So first value is going to give us 4.53 minus 3, and second value is going to give us 11.46 minus 3. So first value is going to be 1.53, second value is going to give us 8.46. So I will write 1.53 here, and here I will write 8.46 and bracket close. This is the answer for question number 9. Moving on to question number 10. When it comes to question number 10, I can see that 2y equals plus 3x plus 1, because minus 3 will go to the other side and becomes plus 3x. So y is equals to 3x plus 1 divided by 2. So this is the value of y. Now I'll place it over here. It becomes 3x plus 1 over 2 equals x squared plus 3x minus 7. This 2 is dividing, other side it will go and multiply. So 2x squared plus 3x minus 7 to give us 3x plus 1 equals 2x squared plus 6x minus 14. Now these two are going to go other side and the sign is going to be changed. So it's going to be 2x squared plus 6x minus 3x minus 14 minus 1. So it's going to give us plus 3x minus 15. These are the values of a, b, and c in quadratic equation. I'll copy this down to help me with finding out the value of x. Now in here, it's going to be a equals 2, b equals 3, and c equals negative 15. Negative 15. So b is negative 3 plus minus under root b square minus 4a and c over 2 times 2, which is a 4. So finally it's going to give me minus 3 plus minus under root 9 plus 120 over 4. So it's going to give us minus 3 129, and the root of 129 is 11.36. So I will use this value in further calculations. Minus 3 plus 11.36 over 4, and minus 3 minus 11.36 over 4. These are the two values of x. So first one is going to give us 8.36 over 4. Second value is going to give us minus 14.36 over 4. So first one is going to give me 2.09. This is the first value of x. And second value is going to give us 3.59. This is the second value of x. We know that the value of y is equals to 3x plus 1 over 2, and second value with the same formula with the different values of x over 2. So first I will put y equals 3 2.09 plus 1 over 2. Second value is going to be 3 times minus 3.59 plus 1 over 2. So this is going to give us 6.27 plus 1 over 2. Second value is going to be minus 9 point minus 10 point actually minus 10.77 plus 1 over 2. So first value of y is going to be 7.27 over 2, and second value is going to be minus 9.77 over 2. So first value of y is going to be 3.63, and second value is going to be y equals negative 4.88. When it comes to question number 11, I will bring this guy a little over here. Okay, in here 3y equals minus 4x plus 15, and y equals minus 4x plus 15 over 3. I will substitute this value in this equation. So this equation is going to give us minus 4x plus 15 equals 3 times 2x square minus 3x plus 15. So finally it's going to give us minus 4x plus 15 will stay here for now, 6x square minus 9x and plus 45. 3 times 5 is a 15, it's not 5, 15. Now I will take these two things on the other side, and the sign is going to be changed. So it's going to be 6x square minus 9x and plus 4x plus 15 and minus 15. These two are going to be cancelled. So 6x square minus 3x minus 9x and minus plus 4x is going to give us minus 5x or 0x, and 6 minus 5, 6x minus 5. So first value of x is 0. Second value of x is going to be 5 over 6, which is equals to 0.83. So you have got the value of x. First value of x is 0, and second value is 0.83. Now we'll find out the value of y. I will write two different times. First I will write 4x plus 15 over 3, and second 4x plus 15 over 3. First I will put 0.83, 4x 0.83 plus 15 over 3, and 4 times 0 plus 15 over 3. So this is going to give us 3.33, and this is going to give us 15 over 3. So first value of y is 5, and this one is going to give us 11.66 over 3, and this is going to give us 3.88. So these are the values 3.88 and 5. 3.88 and 5. Moving on to question number 12. Moving on to question number 12, it is saying that 3y equals plus 2x minus 5. That means y is equals to 2x minus 5 over 3. We'll put this value over here. 2x minus 5 equals 3 multiplied by minus 3x squared minus 2x and plus 7. I have arranged this equation. Minus 5 equals minus 9x squared and minus 6x and plus 21. Now it's going to be equals to minus 9x squared minus 6x and minus 2x and plus 21 plus 5. So this gives us minus 9x squared and minus 8x and plus 21. Now multiplying this everything by minus 1 is going to give us 9x squared plus 8x and minus 21. These are the three values of a, b, and c. It's going to be 26. So these are the three values a, b, and c. A equals 9, b equals 8, and c equals negative 26. Putting these values in quadratic formula, minus b plus minus b square minus 4, a is 9, c is minus 26 over 2 times 9 because of a, and this is going to give us plus minus 64 plus 936 over 18, and finally this is going to give us minus 8 plus minus under root 1000 over 18. The value of under root 1000 is 31.6. I will use this value once plus, and another time it's going to be minus 8 minus 31.6 over 18. Now comes calculation. It's going to give us a 23.62 over 18. This gives us minus 39.6 over 18. So this is going to give us 1.31. Second value is going to be minus 2.20. So in the answer, what we can write is the first value of x is 1.31, and y value we are going to find out minus 2.20. Now we know very well that the value of y is 2x minus 5 over 3. Second value is going to be y equals 2x minus 5 over 3. So first we are going to use 2 times 1.31 minus 5 over 3. Second, y equals 2 times minus 2.20 minus 5 over 3. So y will be equals to 2.62 minus 5 over 3. Second is going to be minus 4.40 minus 5 over 3. So the first answer for this one is going to be minus 2.38 minus 2.38 over 3. Second value is going to be y equals minus 9.4 divided by 3. So the first answer for this one is minus 0.79. I will write minus 0.79, and second answer is going to be minus 3.13. So I will write minus 3.13 as an answer for this question. And that's the end of this exercise, taking you back to the answers part. These are the answers for every question. You can pause the video and see and match the answers that we have got from this exercise. This is the end of this exercise, and very soon I'll be uploading the next exercise in which all the mixed questions are going to be there. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks for your time. I hope that this video has helped you in one way or other, and do subscribe and share with others also. Thank you very much once again.